In this video, we will be going over percent change charts. Now, normally the price plot shows the historical prices as seen here with the candlestick chart. Now, percent change charts are an alternate view that shows the change in the price between each bar is a percentage movement. You can change the chart to a percent change chart via the bar type from the drop down in the toolbar. So the bar type right now is candlesticks, and we can change this over to percent change. The first thing that you'll notice now is that the chart has changed from 4 data points to a single data point represented by this line. And you'll notice that the vertical axis now is not showing prices, but instead showing a percent change. So by default, the percent change charts are calculated from the leftmost point of the chart. So in this case, this would be the first data point. And you'll notice that it's set to 0, so that's your 0 mark there. But you can also change where the calculation can start. So for instance, if I want to start from this high here, I can right click, select percent change, and then select calculate from this bar. And now the new point is represented by the intersection of a vertical and horizontal line. And then the 0 line will change reflected on that point. And from there you can see the change. So in this case, from this point here, there is a minus 2.809% change. If we go back to the first bar, this is now the new data point, and the change now is negative 4.145%. If we right click from the last bar, at the moment right now there's a 0% change. When combined with the instrument overlay study, you can compare relative moves between instruments directly on one chart. So in this case, if I wanted to select, let's try the SPX 500 CFD here, click OK, change this to red so we can see it. Okay, so now, because I have this, my last selection was last bar, you'll notice that the 0 line is pretty much at the last bar. But if I want to go back to the first bar, let me just bring this in. You'll notice here that the first bar, both these instruments start at this data point where it's marked 0. And in this case, the euro dollar is showing a change of minus 4.129%, while the SPX 500 is approximately 4.102%. Okay, so that's it for percent change charts, and we'll see you in the next video.